Hi, this is Balaji from Vanakkam, Germany.
This is Priya from Vanakkam, Germany.
One of the most hottest topic for the people who are living in Germany.
Everyone want to know how to bring their parents to Germany permanently. I have been living in Germany for past 5 years and I haven't found any article to validate it.
But now I found an interesting article from the Bundestag website which explains under what conditions one can bring their family members to Germany permanently. Small disclaimer from our end. We both are not an immigration lawyer. We are trying to show the options and ways so that you can work on a feasible solution on your own.
If you are new to this channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe our channel to get regular updates about Germany. If you are ready, come let's get started.
Everyone are well aware about the 3-month visa where you can invite your parents either under the tourist visa or the visiting visa.
But one cannot stay more than 3 months in a single stretch.
Although if you have received a visa which is valid either for 1 year or 5 years. This is a very common practice where we invite our parents for a short-term visit.
Many would have also read in Facebook and heard about the terms like citizenship by investment and golden visa which each country offer it. Let us break it down and explain you in more clear way.
Starting with golden visa program. If you make more investment in a country around 200,000 euros or something more, then based on each country rules, one can avail a golden visa and stay there for a long period of time. This website shows you which country allows you to stay for permanently and how much money one needs to invest it over there. I'm also attaching the link in the description. Kindly have a look into it.
Whereas in citizenship by investment, you invest some money in a country and one can avail a citizenship. If you are choosing any country within EU, then one can also travel to other EU countries without any issues. But this video is all about Germany. If you ask me, do we have any of these options for Germany? If you want to know the answer, click the subscribe button and then continue watching this video.
As we said in the beginning, we have found a document from the Bundestag website which is explained clearly how it works and how it don't work.
And also some informations about requirements of other countries to obtain a citizenship or PR.
Wenn you look into this particular document, you can read the first important point. Einen an die Voraussetzungen substanzielle Investment gebundene Erwerb der Staatsangehörigkeit kennt das deutsche Recht nicht. It means that one cannot avail a citizenship by investing in this country.
If someone tells you by investing in Germany you can bring your parents, then you can show this document and prove it this is not possible. Germany don't allow such options.
According to the paragraph 3 from Staatsangehörigkeit Gesetz, one can avail the citizenship under certain conditions. The first thing is by birth. If one parent has German citizenship according to section 4 paragraph 1 of the Staatsangehörigkeit Gesetz, or through adoption by a German which is written in the section 6 of the Staatsangehörigkeitsgesetz, or if one parent has legally been in Germany for 8 years and has a PR according to the paragraph 4.3 Staatsangehörigkeitsgesetz and your kid is born in Germany. Third option, through naturalization of foreigners upon application. Below you can also find more details under what condition a person can get citizenship. I will attach this document in the description. Kindly check that out.
In special cases, it's also possible to avail citizenship within 6 years. According to section 10 paragraph 3, one can also get the citizenship after 6 years provided if the person has involved with some special integration services. For example, as a foreigner, you are volunteering with non-profit organization or any association in Germany for years. Association in Germany is called Verein.
Next point, availing a German residency permit with help of an investment. German law does not even allow you to acquire the temporary or permanent residence permit if you are investing large amount of money in Germany. This is as same how the rule was for the citizenship. This is exactly what is mentioned in the document in this particular line. Einen ausdrücklich und ausschließlich an den voraussetzungen substanziellen Investment gebundenen Erwerb, befristet oder unbefristeter Aufenthaltstitel kennt das deutsche Recht nicht.
However, Section 21 of the relevant residence permit provides for the possibility of allowing foreigners to stay for limited period of up to 3 years in order to be self-employed.
This particular residence permit can be granted under the Section 21 Aufenthaltsgesetz as part of a discretionary decision. If there is an economic interest of a regional need, the activity can be expected to have a positive impact of the economy, and the financing of the implementation is secured by an equity or by a loan commitment.
The issuance of this visa is solely based on the ideas of the business. How exactly this business will give the positive impact. Try to frame a proper business plan and go with help of the concerned lawyers if they can assist you in this. In the previous version of the document, the conditions was a little different. The visa was issued only when significant investments were made and a significant number of jobs were created or secured. Minimum investment was somewhere around 50,000 euro and 10 employees must be recruited. All these norms was removed in the current version, which I am sharing with you.
It means that with help of a self-employment visa, when you're going to recruit someone and bring some positive effort in the German economy, then you will be able to get the self-employment visa, through which after a certain period of time you can also apply for the permanent residentship. After receiving this initial visa for the self-employment, and if the foreigner and his relatives have sufficient income from the self-employment, they can also convert this visa to a permanent residentship after 3 years of holding this self-employment visa. This particular paragraph, I am not sure how this works out, but it's written in Section 7, Sentence 3 of the Residence Act opens up the possibility of granting foreigners a residence permit for purposes that are not specified in the Residence Act. You might be having two questions. Anyone who are in a self-employment visa, can they bring their parents permanently to Germany? Answer is no. Second question, I'm in a normal work visa or in a dependent visa. If I convert my existing visa to a self-employment visa, can I still bring my parents to Germany permanently? Answer is still no, which I explained before. The right procedure is your parents must apply for the self-employment visa by showing the right documentation, paperwork and business plan. If this particular business plan can bring some economical growth in Germany, then the visa officer will be offering a self-employment visa to one of your parents. When your father or mother is already been in Germany and they can show sufficient income from their self-employment visa, they can also bring their spouses and kids to Germany. Indirectly to say that you don't sponsor your father or mother, rather your parents must individually apply for the self-employment visa. After they land in Germany, they can do all the normal procedures similar to you and avail a PR, and later they can also avail a German citizenship. This is the only one way which we have found it to be more reliable.
In a nutshell, follow the steps you can bring your parents. Create a business plan, get the German self-employment visa, get a temporary residence permit, apply German PR and then apply German citizenship. Then your job is done. Your parent can settle in Germany.
You may be having further questions like, my parents are not educated and is there any option to bring them permanently to Germany? The simple answer is no. We haven't found any reliable information on this particular topic. Although you can prove that your mother is a single mother or your father is a single father and they don't have any kind of support or under the conditions of hardship, if they can bring it to Germany, answer is no. We have spoken with few lawyers and they said that this is a very difficult process. Till today they haven't seen any single successful application for this particular thing. If you know anyone who have been successful in bringing their parents to Germany through the hardships, please leave a comment or leave a mail to our Vanakkam Germany. We'll get in touch with you. We would like to share your information to our subscribers. If you're wondering how to apply for self-employment visa, want to know more in detail, you can also check out our earlier video where we explain how to apply for it, and we have written a detailed blog. Check out the link which is given in the description. Coming to next point and the last point, can you get a German visa by investing in a real estate? Technically, you cannot get German citizenship or the permanent residency simply by investing in real estate. However, if you can live in Germany relying solely on your own funds, then you may be granted a temporary residence permit if you purchase a real estate. With the residence permit granted for this purpose, you are not allowed to engage in any kind of economic activity. This is very important. It is not certain that you will become eligible for the German citizenship or the permanent residency through this pathway, but this can make you to stay in Germany for longer. I haven't found any reliable information for this particular info. Please have a look or check out with your lawyer who can explain you more in detail if this is possible. In my opinion, this is not possible. We believe we both gave an useful information to you to bring your parents permanently to Germany and help them in their old age. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share this video. We'll catch you in one other interesting topic. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Balaji.